We are at Mitchell's Plain Magistrates Court, and we are here for the attempted murder case of a 21-year-old prestige girl who was allegedly assaulted by her boyfriend. And today we at court for the arguments of the bail application. Linda Jones from the Mitchell's Plain Community Policing Forum, as well as me and Nuda, has been actively engaging with the victim and support with the victim.
But so today we are happy that he's going to stay behind bars. And we believe that this is a very serious matter. The prosecutor made it clear how serious it is. And so whatever the arguments may be, we trust and we believe that God is going to see us through this. And for now, we are just happy that he's remaining until the 27th of Feb.
The fact that they actually looked at that, they looked at the facts, because if he thought nothing to come back for me while he was busy brutally attacking me at that moment, what makes them think that if he's out on bail that he might not do it again? And that is why I'm so fearful for my life, because I know, like I said in the previous video, that the fact that I get dreams, constantly getting dreams, that because of him being where he is not finished with me.